Hi, hey, thanks for jumping in here and taking a look at this video today. You're looking for a nice small trailer that's lightweight. This is under 5,000 pounds, fully loaded. It's called a Coachmen Apex Nano. And this is our 187, so it's 18 feet 7 inches. Got a great big beautiful bathroom in the back. This is a nice trailer. I want to tell you a little bit more about this trailer. As you come in here, you can see that this beautiful bed, and it's got nice garment closets on each side, a blackout shade, cross ventilation, and it's comfortable. It's a nice setup. It's also provides you with Wi-Fi boosters. We've got a fantastic fan in here, so you don't have to have an air conditioner. You'll have plenty of cool air moving through here, just off the hook. You can be just working on your batteries. It's got a nice big sink, really super nice setup, stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about it cracking or coming apart on you. A great range top. It's made by Suburban, 2 burners, and you also have a microwave, and that's rare. You've got cupboards overhead. You've got cupboards over your dining room, lots of speakers. It's got a flush mount air conditioner on it, and it's got a beautiful bathroom in the back. So when they built this trailer, they're thinking about the person that you are probably looking at this to go, like I said, to the coast, to the mountains, to go out camping. It will tow behind just about anything, and it also offers you all of the conveniences of our modern day life. So you've got Bluetooth, you've got Wi-Fi, you've got a great little trailer that'll take you anywhere. This is a perfect trailer to take up to the snow, to go over to the coast, to drive up into the mountains, or to stay at any RV park. You can tow it with just about anything. So as you consider your options, I want you to come out and take a look at this. If you're looking for a small trailer under 5,000 pounds, this is your baby. It has lots and lots of extra features that I want to talk with you about. So please call me. It's Barbara D at Guaranty. My number is 541-521-4232. I'm here to help you. So give me a ring.